Hello loves, it's Chrissy here, hugs and kisses to ya. Today we'll be talking Mother's Day on a budget. And I know a lot of people love their mothers. So who would not want to give their mom a very special day? Because I know that I'm going to and I want to. So I know you may also too. But you obviously clicked this video for a reason. You're running low on coins. So I got you. So you want to give your mother a great day, but your wallet's in front of Walmart begging for coins. Or you're a mom that's looking for a way to treat herself on her special day. I am here to provide you with the advice that you were seeking. Okay, so the first idea, Mother's Day brunch. I'm thinking, it's just a home edition. You don't really have to go anywhere. You can, but I don't know. I just like doing things at home. I feel like it's a lot more personal. It's sweet, and there's a lot of putting your own love into it, I guess, than going to Applebee's and sitting at a booth. So you can go to the dollar store and get tablecloths, placemats, things like that. And I've been to a select number of dollar stores that have chair covers, which I think are really cute in the wedding aisle. So why not spend the extra dollar on your mama? I'm just saying. You can make a list and go to the grocery store and get breakfast items, or you can use what you have in your cabinet already. So I for one always have pancake mix up in my cabinet up there. So I don't know, maybe you have some pancake mix, maybe you have some eggs, things like that. So I would go downstairs right now, if this is what you're planning on doing, and write out a list of items that you have and try to look at the list and just find breakfast in it. And lastly, do not forget to invite other mommies, because that's sweet and it's cute, and why not have your mom enjoy spending time with her friends, her mom, her own mom, her mom's mom, her aunt, her sister, things like that. So if that's something you want to do, you can do that, or you can just make it a little personal thing between just you, your mom, your brother and sister, and your dad, things like that. So it's either or. It's your choice. It's your choice. Okay, the second idea is a mommy movie night. So I don't know, I just think it's really cute. So I'm not saying that everybody just has a projector lying around in their house, but if you have a projector lying around in your house, you can, the really Tumblr outside movie type of things with the white sheet. You can do that with some really cute string lights and pillows and blankets. It'll be really cute and sweet, and I think it's adorable. If you don't have a projector, you can just do it in your living room and, add in some string lights if you can, make it cute. Pillows, blankets, snacks, obviously, you gotta have food. And just sit there with your mom and enjoy watching a movie. I love it. I think it's a really cute idea. Yeah, why not? And if you're like, I don't know what movies I want to watch with my mom, oh my god, I got you there too. You can watch Monster-in-Law, and I know you're like, why would I watch something called Monster-in-Law on Mother's Day with my mama? I love the movie. My mom loves the movie. My mom and I love the movie. We used to watch the movie together all the time and just laugh. I love it. I think it's a beautiful, lovely movie. So why not? The Proposal, I love it. That is a movie that my mom and I watch, and we love. I don't want to just base it off of movies that my mom and I love, of course, but I just wanted to throw in a couple of those ideas. You can also watch Mrs. Doubtfire. You can watch The Blind Side. You can watch Parent Trap, Steel Magnolias, there's so many amazing movies out there. They don't have to be necessarily mother-based. They don't have to be about mamas. But if it's a movie that you and your mom, love, you grew up watching it with her, you can watch that, and it'll just be a nice little drive down memory lane, okay? Cruising down my street in my 6'4". The third option would be, something that everybody knows, breakfast in bed. I mean, I've done this since I was little for my mom every Mother's Day when I was too young to really, think up big things to do. I mean, I did think up big things to do, but they required big coins, and I don't think Monopoly money counted. I know it's cute, it's sweet, it's personal, it's something that your mom loves every single time, just about. I've never really seen my mom get bored with breakfast in bed. I mean, it's breakfast in bed. I want breakfast in bed. So, you can do that, go downstairs, whip something up, bring it up to your mama, be happy. And if you don't have the cute little trays, oh my gosh, I think those are so cute. The trays that you can carry all of the food on, Go to the dollar store. Okay. The dollar store is your friend today. Go to the dollar store, go to Walmart, Target, and get a nice pretty one. You can also get a tiny vase from the dollar store and a cute little flower. It could be plastic, it could be real, I don't know, your choice. And just put it on there, make it look pretty. Don't just like, just like throw the stuff on there, make it look pretty, make it look cute, okay? Just, yeah. A fourth option would be to do her makeup, do her nails, do her hair. There are so many little 13, 14, 15, 16-year-old MUAs out there. I know you can beat your mama's face. Like, come on. That sounded... Anyway, if you are able to do that, do her makeup. Even if you don't do makeup, like, watch a tutorial and try your best. Yeah, do that. Why not? And do her hair, if you're into doing hair or you know how to do cute braids or curl, just do that. Like, make her feel pretty. Because I know a lot of moms have problems with that. They're not able to treat themselves as much as they're able to because, they have kids. And no, it's not something that they, look at in a bad way. Those are my babies. I'm going to care for them first and I'm going to put them first. And, you have to really look at that as a child sometimes and think about that. So make her feel pretty, Like maybe she hasn't had her hair done in like 2 years. Think about that. So yeah, make her feel cute. Make her feel like she's a cute girl. Do it. Alright, so here are some Mama's Day on a budget gift ideas. So you can get her a photo album. Well, make her a photo album. You can get photo albums from, guess where? The dollar store. You can also get them from Walmart if your dollar store just doesn't seem to have one. Or you're too good for the dollar store. Then go to Walmart, go to Target. But you can go get a photo album and you can use photos off of your iPhone and go print them out at CVS for a good price. Boom. And fill that album. And if you don't really have many pictures, it's May 10th. Start, building them up fast because you don't have a lot of time, but you have time. So start just going and run up and take some random selfies with your mom. Go and have a cute little photo shoot somewhere pretty with your siblings and do something like that, Just make it cute, make it fun, make it creative, make it loving, make it from the heart. You can send your mom an edible arrangement. At first I thought they were overrated, but I actually really like them. They're really cute and they taste really good. So I'm not gonna lie, get your mom an edible arrangement. I like them. I think your mom would like them too. My mom likes them. Does your mom like them? I don't know. Ooh, my mom loves chocolate covered strawberries. She loves boxes of chocolates, just the things that are, just those things, okay? Get her something nice. You can also do a homemade video or aka an appreciation video. So you can do something like, I don't know, get all of your siblings together and your dad or your mom together, your grandma and your aunt and your uncles, and make a video about how much you love your mom, why you love your mom, why she's so amazing. Bring up old memories and stories and just have fun with it and make it cute, fun. If you know how to edit some cute, sad little music in the background, make her cry. I'm saying some really mean things today. Do that, have fun, and make sure that she cries, okay? Make your mother cry. And last but not least, a gift idea that I love and every mother in the world loves. Well, almost every mother. Sweets. Okay, I know that you love some donuts, alright? You probably have some donuts behind your headboard right now, the glazed ones, not the powdered ones. And I know that you're only hiding them because you know that if you leave them downstairs, they will be devoured within 2 seconds of them being sat on the counter. 50% of that being from your mom. So, get your mom some sweets, get her some donuts, get her some cookies, get her some chocolate covered strawberries, get her some chocolates, get her just a bunch of sweet stuff. And I'm not talking about just a box, I'm talking about a surplus. I want her to hibernate into the summer and gain 300 pounds. Just make sure you take her to a gym afterwards. Remember, we don't want to give her diabetes for Mother's Day, okay? That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, to comment below, and subscribe below. and like below. I think I said that already. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want me to do any more videos like this, I would love to do them. Remember, the goal is to make your mother cry. Okay? Bye.